Hello everyone, my name is mtesta and I'm the band director here at Lakeland Regional High School. In this video, members of our band council and I will give you a sense of what it's like to be a Lancer and go over the program in general, what the commitment is like, some of the perks, and of course, how to join. The goal of the band program is to develop a sense of personal worth and pride through gaining authentic ensemble experience. We'll learn to further our technical and musical abilities on our instrument and perform a wide variety of music. In addition, we provide growth opportunities through various leadership experiences. The Lancer Band also serves our school and local community through performance at various concerts, community events, graduations, and especially our Veterans Day program. We provide pep music for the football team, the orchestra for the musical, and patriotic music at our town parades. As you all know, our past season was very challenging due to the restrictions placed on us by the COVID-19 pandemic. They included travel, rehearsal, performances, and socialization restrictions. I cannot tell you all how proud I am of each and every member of the Lancer family for this season pulling it off in the best way possible, and for their patience and flexibility. But I am looking forward to a more normalized season in 2021 with some additional opportunities to socialize and get back in touch with the music. Some of these include adding Friday night dinner and rehearsals to our schedule, ensuring that our show is accessible and relatively easy to learn so that we can all participate and have fun with it, adding tons of spirit days to our rehearsal events, and of course making sure that we get all of our tour and trips in as best we can. All in all, I can't wait to get back to the music this year. But at this time, I'm sure you still have some questions about what it's like to be a member in the Lancer Band, so I brought on some members of the band council to help get you up to speed.
Hi, I'm Catherine. I'm the band council co-president. Now, I know band may be a big commitment to think about taking on, but everyone in the staff works really hard to make it fun and manageable for everybody. They work hard to maintain a flexibility around the other school activities you may want to be involved in throughout the years. Band is pretty much a year-round commitment, and it starts in the summer with our away camp and then later in the summer with our home camp. Then, once school starts, band is one of your elective classes that you'll take, along with rehearsals on Tuesday nights for the whole school year and Saturday mornings during marching band season. Then, throughout the school year, there will be a variety of performances from football games to parades and concerts. It sounds like a lot, but as a multi-sport athlete, I can promise you it is so doable and so worth doing.
Hey, I'm Marissa. Marching band is a big part of our band year. During the season, we learn a lot of great new skills that can help further our musical abilities. Since marching band is playing music while moving, we work a lot on multitasking. In order for the show to look the very best it can, we all need to rely on our other band members to do their part. Marching band is a lot of endurance-filled hard work, but this is also the time where you will be able to make the most relationships in the band and really get to bond with everyone. We work long and hard memorizing both the music and our moves so we can come together and make a fantastic field show for everyone to watch. It's a lot of work, but by far the most fun and rewarding experience of the entire program.
The color guard performs visually alongside the band with flag, saber, and rifles and more.
You will be part of the Lancer Marching Band in the fall and perform in an outdoor field show as well as perform with just the color guard during the winter season. By the end of the year, you will be part of a program and have performed in a show that you can be deeply proud of.
Color guard is a place to meet people and make lifelong friends and memories. Not only is the activity itself fun and challenging, but it is also a great way to make some of your closest friends throughout high school. I have made some of my great relationships with the people in band and color guard that aren't going anywhere for a long time. I love being able to express myself creatively around music by combining the visual aspect to it with some of my best friends.
For those that don't want to march or play an instrument that can't, there's the front ensemble, which adds a lot of musical flair to the show through standing instruments that can't be as easily moved. For percussionists that do want to march, the battery is another option. The battery is the heart of the band, responsible for setting and keeping the tempo of the show.
The highlight of the band experience are the performances that we participate in. Over the course of the fall season, we show off our fantastic field show during halftime at Lakeland home football games. On the weekends, we compete against other high school marching bands in festivals across North Jersey. In the springtime, we march in parades along with members of the Ringwood, Wanacue, and Haskell communities. Spring Tour, my personal favorite, is the biggest band event of the year. Together, we travel to places such as Washington, D.C. or Disney World in Florida to perform in parades, participate in workshops, and form closer friendships with fellow band members.
Every year, we perform a field show which is centered entirely around a new theme. Our music, marching, and visuals combine to capture audience attention. One of my personal favorite parts is Pep Band. During Pep Band, we play stand tunes to cheer on our football team at games and get the energy high in the crowd. Before all football games and concerts, we play our national anthem and other patriotic tunes during parades.
As the season begins to change, we transition to concert band. The start of concert band season is marked by the Lakeland Veterans Day concert. This 26-year tradition is a hallmark of the Lakeland Concert Band and demonstrates each and every year the impact that our music can have on the community. Our concert schedule continues with a department-wide holiday concert, multiple spring performances, and often interscholastic competition. The year culminates with a graduation performance as we send our senior band members on their way. The band plays concert music from every possible genre. In my years at Lakeland, I have conducted delicate chorales for veterans, performed John Williams scores, and played a Sousa march on the steps of the Lincoln Memorial. We hope you'll join us next year for these experiences.
We also have the opportunity to perform in several other musical ensembles. The first ensemble is Jazz Band. For this ensemble, we add in drums, piano, bass, along with guitar. In the Lancer Jazz Band, we play jazz music in the genres of swing, blues, fusion, and many others. If you are looking for a challenge, the Pit Orchestra is a good place to look. This is my favorite ensemble to play in. The Pit Orchestra performs with our school musical. There you can show off your skills, get a real Broadway experience, play some really cool music, and have lots of fun.
So I hope that this video has answered some of the questions you might have about being part of the Lancer Band. As we move forward into scheduling season, here's a quick rundown of the program. The Lancer Band operates as one program, meaning all students involved must take part in both concert and marching band. All students are required to commit to our schedule, which includes an away summer camp, our shorter home camp, as well as our performance and rehearsal schedule. Students involved in multiple activities are very much encouraged to be a part of our program, and exceptions to our attendancy policy will be made for students involved in other school-sponsored activities. As far as our sign-up window goes, the band will recruit from now through June, which is when we need to lock in our numbers so we could properly plan for our next season. At any time during this period, students can reach out to their guidance departments and sign up for band. If you need any assistance with this, please reach out to me and I will absolutely make sure to make it happen. Lastly, for the first time next year, 8th graders will have the opportunity to join the Lancer Band as full and active members. Students interested in this will have to commit to the same schedule as everyone else, but they'll also be entitled to all of the perks. You'll also need to stay active in your middle school program. So we're hoping that you'll join us for next year's exciting season. If you're ready to sign up, please save these dates as our camp has already been placed on the calendar. After that, the next step is reaching out to your school's guidance department and registering for band as one of your elective classes. As the school year progresses, I'll be sending out other materials to help complete your registration and to get everyone set up for camp. If you have further questions about our program, its requirements, or how to join, please take a look at the Lancer Band webpage located right here and linked down below in the description. I've set up an FAQ there and the beginnings of a handbook, which will be helpful in making your decision. As always, you can always reach out to me directly and I'll be happy to walk you through the process, and it would be just wonderful to meet and talk to some of you. Thank you, and I hope to see you on the field next year.